tutelage is the $10 word that I've got for you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Amit Dubey and I want to help you improve your communication skills, improve your vocabulary and sound awesome. Okay, now tutelage, what does it mean? Now understand this, okay? It's a good word, you can use it. Tutelage means it's a state where you are under the guidance or leadership or let's say mentorship of someone. I'll give you two examples. In Mahabharata, Kauravas and Pandavas were under the tutelage, meaning under the mentorship of one of the greatest teachers of all time, and that was Dronacharya. Right? They learned the skills under him. So the sentence could be, the Kauravas and Pandavas learned crucial skills under the tutelage of Dronacharya. Now, one more example. Let's say you come to me and say that, Amit sir, I want you to help me be more confident, speak more confidently, write impeccably, help me communicate well, help me be more confident, develop my personality, and if I make you a better version of yourself, not if, I will, then in that case you will say that under the tutelage of Amit Dubey sir, I became a better version of me. That's how you use this word tutelage, right? Tutelage. Now if you want to learn more vocabulary, you must do a course from us and do follow us on social media if you haven't already, because this is a game changer. My name is Amit Dubey. I'll sign off. Take care of yourself. Bye.